Ray J flies private jet to Vegas and promises to bring Gumbo back for Princess Love.
Summertime, all I did was stretch, okay?
They put the wheels down, you guys.
Just went platinum. Back there. Windows. Yo, look, we giving away a lot of this month. We giving away Louis purses, PlayStations. We already gave away like 4 PlayStations. We're gonna give away a bunch of them this month. We giving away money. We giving away earbuds. We giving away a lot of shit, so I need y'all to tap in. I did a bunch of commercials with Diddy, Rick Ross, Dwayne Wade, Gunna, and we got this new app called Display. It's the new app called Display. I need y'all to download the Display app right now. Display Social. We're doing something new and innovative. You know what I mean? So tap in. We almost at 2 million earbuds, so we not back in LA yet. We almost there. We gotta have one more meeting, like 30 minutes away. We've been in Seattle. We've been in Vegas today. Princess wanted some gumbo. I know you wanted some gumbo, Princess. So I went to Vegas to get you some, baby. Like, wanted to go the extra mile. All the celebs out there and entertainers, I've been giving all y'all, like, as much as, like, whatever money I got, all the marketing money, I want to give it to every celebrity. I want to give it to all the influencers, entertainers. Like, I done already gave away like $2 million this week. You know?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
I do want to tell y'all, yeah, we on the jet. This jet, it don't matter if you on a bus, if you on a plane, if you on a fucking scooter, if you walking, just get to the bag, fam. Don't let this right here that we got right now like confuse you on what it's supposed to be. I hop on Southwest coach. I hop on Southwest with the blue slip so I can sit in the front. I hop on Spirit Airline. I hop on American Airline. I hop on Delta. I'll walk to the bag, fam. I'll crawl to the bag. I don't give a execution matters the most, alright? I don't give a what people commenting or none of that. Listen, if you want to get to the bag and be the best at what you do, work harder than everybody else. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask somebody else's plane and fly with them. Who gives a f? Nigga, I wanna be on my own plane. God is good though. Shout out to my Puff, because as soon as I got on Puff plane, I was like, I got to get one. Even if I don't like buying one, I got to that dry lease that we got that dry lease, boy. Yeah, we not on the plane with a bunch of motherfuckers. I'm on the plane with the right people. I'm going home to see my wife. I'm going home to see my kids. Can't wait to see y'all. I got the gumbo. I got gumbo from Vegas, princess. I brought you gumbo from Vegas. I only went to Vegas to get you some gumbo. I got it spicy #5. You wanted extra sausage. You wanted no okra. You get what I'm saying? I got you. Where the gumbo at? Whole plane smell like fish. Whole plane smell like shrimp. We here though. The pilots and shit. Make sure the pilots get all of these, fam. And over the ears. I heard your shit ringing up there, fam. Hey yo, I got performances going on all week in LA. All the entertainers, celebrities. If I haven't reached out to you, DM me. I got bags. I ain't got little bags. I got hefty bags for y'all. 50 plus, 100 plus. Hit my DM if y'all want to perform.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.